Yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, and I want to appreciate you guys, as usual, right? So today we want to discuss on uh, how to avoid tourist mistake in Qatar. Okay, so what not to do. So how to avoid tourist mistake and what not to do. No, in every country that do's and don'ts, right? So let's move on. Qatar is a stunning mix of modern luxury, and whether you are here for the FIFA legacy, desert adventure, or a layoff in Qatar, if you're in transit, there are some common mistakes tourists make, right? And trust me, you don't want to be one of them, okay? And in this video, I will share the top things not to do in Qatar. No, from cultural respect to legal rules and so on, and so you can enjoy your trip without trouble. Okay, so let's get started. Number one, let's talk about the dress code mistake. Okay, yeah, and let's start with what you wear. Qatar is a modest country, and why you don't need to wear traditional clothes. Dressing respectfully is a must. Okay, so you have to dress modestly. You have to dress, with respect. Okay, and for men, just avoid sleeveless shirt in public. Okay, and also for women, no need for a hijab, but cover your shoulders. You have to cover your shoulders and knees, in more souk and even government buildings. Okay, and beach wear is fine in hotel and pools. You can wear this bikini beach wear in pools and private beaches, but you don't wear it in the public areas. No, even some more may even deny entry if your clothes are too revealing. Even at the entrance, you will see some description, the pictures there. No, some dress code. You have to dress moderately. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, public behavior. Okay, Qatar is peaceful and family friendly. That means no public display of affection like kissing or hugging. No, holding hands might be tolerated, but it's best to be conscious, right? Best to be cautious. Swearing, rude gesture, or loud argument in public also is that can get you fined or even worse. And remember, alcohol is only allowed in licensed venues. Drinking in public or being drunk outside is illegal. You have to have that in mind. So all these points you have to just check it out. Go over to the video again and check it out, and you are good to go. Also, photography rule. But the third point, talk about photography rule. Qatar has amazing places to take photos, but not everything can be filmed. Yeah, avoid taking pictures of government buildings, military sites, or locals without permissions, especially Qatari women. And always ask before photographing people. Places like souk or mosque, photograph may be restricted. Okay, so even some more you might not. They might not allow you to use a digital camera to snap. You can only use your phone. So those things you have to take it. Uh, you have to have that in mind by visiting Qatar. Okay. So those are the rules. They are just simple. Just follow it. Just simple rules. then you enjoy yourself. Qatar is a very nice place to be. Okay, so the fourth point is Ramadan etiquette. So if you visit Qatar during Ramadan, you have to respect fasting hour, and that means eating, drinking, or smoking in the public during the day is not allowed. Okay, and many restaurants are closed during the day, but open after sunset. Okay, so have that in mind during fasting. You cannot just go to restaurants and eat. So you have to wait till evening. Yeah. So non-Muslim can eat in private or in a designated places, often covered or inside a hotel, right? So that is that. It's just a short point where you can easily, comprehend, understand. Yeah. And the fifth one is ignoring local laws. No, you have to take, be careful with that also. No, Qatar has a strict law, and I don't know, it will not save you. If you don't know, it won't save you. Okay, so you have to know all those simple little things. No, some key rules like drug. No, drug is zero tolerance, and don't bring e-cigarette or vapes unless you are sure are allowed. So no littering. Yeah, it's very important. No littering. No, it's a finable offense. You cannot even, if you spit anyhow in the public, if you can be fined also. So you have to respect prayer time. No, and during the call to prayer, music should be turned down in public. It's a normal thing. You have to respect that, right? So let's talk about money and tipping. I know you understand that. Number 6 point, money and tipping. So many tourists forget to carry cash for small tips or taxi, right? Credit card works in most places. No, but cash is useful in, let's say, in souk or small shops, right? And tipping isn't mandatory, you know, but it's appreciated. Yeah, in restaurants and a few areas, for hotel staffs or taxi driver to go a long way. Yeah, they will appreciate that. So next point is just not using public transport. Tourists often overspend on taxis, but Qatar has one of the cleanest, cheapest metro system. Very clean, very nice now. And the Doha metro is easy. It's very easy. It's very efficient and air conditioned. Everything is very nice. The metro station is very cool. There's enough space for you to relax there, to sit and just wait for your your metro. Okay, so you can also use car or taxi or Uber. Okay, so get a metro card at any station. It's very useful. No, it's very, you can navigate everywhere in Qatar within the metropolis with metro. No, with metro link you can just, and it's very cheap. I think 6 riyal for full trip in a day or so. So once you get your metro card and you just put some cash, you just pay, get your metro card, then you load it with some cash. I think at least 10 riyal. With that 10 riyal you can go anywhere in Qatar. With 10 riyal you can go anywhere via metro in Qatar. So it's very, very, very cheap. It's advisable to use metro. Okay, so before you leave, just remember that. Before you leave, remember to download some applications like Qatar for metro. We have Talabat for food, and metrage for for services. Also, always carry a copy of your passport and your ID. Yeah, it's very important. So whenever you are going, just go with your passport and ID. Okay. Yeah, I think that is it. It's not. It's very short, right? So there you have it. Okay. Now you know what not to do. And if you found this useful, just like, subscribe, and drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, so just ask anything, any question. If something you don't understand, just ask in the comment section. I'm going to attend to your comment. Okay, so enjoy your trip to Qatar and travel safe, travel smart, and stay safe. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.